Hello and welcome to my channel Making Money and Finance. I have a new video for you today. We'll discuss video marketing, and we'll try to address the question, how does video marketing work? Before I begin, I want you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video. And if you find our video useful, please share it with your friends and family. You'll walk away from this video with an understanding of everything you require to get started with video marketing right away. We will teach you everything you need to know, including how to set goals, how to define your audience, how to plan your content, how to create videos, how to distribute them, and how to evaluate their success. The term video marketing refers to a subcategory of content marketing, in which the primary type of creative collateral utilized is video. Why do you even bother? Because it is successful. Video advertisements outperform static image advertisements in every conceivable way. According to our research, video advertisements receive more clicks, reach more people, and have a significantly lower cost per lead. Over the course of the past decade, there have been two significant shifts in video patterns. The first reason is because there is an ever-increasing need for continuous video. And secondly, there has been a decline in the price of producing videos. We are grateful to the movie makers and recent developments in the AI video industry. Making marketing videos is now simpler than it's ever been. Setting goals and objectives inside of the marketing funnel should be the first thing that any marketer does. Every step of the marketing funnel can benefit from the use of video. From the most basic level, which is awareness, all the way down to the most advanced one, which is conversion. Let's take a closer look at each of these steps, shall we? Think of the awareness stage as a getting-to-know-you activity on a first date. Practically all video material is short, snappy, and introductory. Aim for 30 seconds or less, and explain how your product or service can benefit the viewer. What is the worth of your company to the viewer? Measures such as the number of views and the length of time spent viewing content are important indicators of success. After that comes careful thought. At this point, your audience probably knows a little bit about you, but the marketplace is crowded with options and you want to stand out. Offering consistently expected knowledge and advice while steering clear of one-off discounts or gimmicks can build trust in this stage, and success can be measured by click-through rate. Conversion is the next step, which is not as complicated as the previous two. These videos will teach you how to market your product or service directly to customers. It is necessary for conversion content to convey a sense of urgency or opportunity, such as the possibility of conserving conversion metrics in order to concentrate on making direct sales. First things first, before you even begin to weigh how important it is to create a video, you need to determine who your target demographic is. There are several platforms available to assist you in getting started. These platforms can not only provide information regarding the types of videos you wish to produce and the audiences you should aim for those videos, but they can also provide information regarding various marketing techniques. The majority of audiences are subdivided into categories that correspond to various business objectives. The most challenging aspect of video content preparation is typically the process of coming up with concepts. You can avoid the tension of the last minute if you look far enough forward into the future. Production marketing calendars are an excellent tool for this purpose. You are responsible for developing video concepts, prompts, and templates for each and every day of the year. Which tools do you need to have in your tool belt to succeed at video marketing? Only 3, but they're vitally necessary ones to remember. A video editor, a planner, and an administrative interface. Whoever created the video, if you want something that is simple, quick to use, and comes with a ton of pre-programmed templates, as well as being social media friendly and having a library that is packed with clips, music, and animations, the ideal option for you is the one that will save you the most time and money. You will also need a scheduler to ensure that your material is published at the time that you require it to be published. There are a good number of options available. Choose one that is centered on the social networking platform that you use most frequently as our recommendation. And lastly, in order to monitor the analytics, you will need a dashboard. When you upload a video to your channel on YouTube, you automatically receive all of the data analytics that you could require in the future. It is important to remember to give goals and targets that are aligned with the larger aims of your firm. To better manage expectations, a clear explanation of the project's budget and scope has been provided. You need to pay attention to the successful video ads that other people have run in industries that are comparable to your own. There are many different kinds of videos, but in this video, we're going to focus on the most frequent ones that people utilize. Ads are very simple production pieces in the realm of video marketing. They unmistakably promote a product or service, and they get right to the point. Explainer videos are an excellent approach to demonstrate that you are an authority in your subject. They provide information on a product, service, or process, and in most cases, they help answer a query. Testimonials are an extremely effective type of social proof. Authentic feedback from consumers who can put a name and a face to their review is preferable since it demonstrates that you can be trusted. These videos have a stronger focus on news and provide answers to queries including who, what, when, where, and why. Doing research on keywords is a terrific approach to learn more about the types of content that your audience wants to see in the videos you create. You will be able to see what keyword combinations people are using to find content in your niche if you have Google Console linked to your online platforms, which you should do. You can then select the keyword combinations that have the most volume and create videos that correspond to those keywords. The production of a video begins with the creation of a storyboard. If you have a significant budget, you have the option of hiring a professional that specializes in storyboarding. In that case, you can try working it out on your own. It is helpful to visualize how the story's beats develop over time. Even if all you're doing is drawing or taking written notes. Make a basic outline of the storyboard. After you have your storyboard in place, you can move scenes, graphics, or text around in a new project until you find a combination that works. It is time to write the script. Keep in mind that you should talk straight to your audience and that you should keep what you say succinct. Because the way we speak and the way we write are so incredibly dissimilar, it is imperative that you read your script aloud as you go. Moving on to hosting now. We strongly suggest that you utilize YouTube as your host platform due to the fact that it is completely free and comes with built-in features that assist significantly with search engine optimization, SEO, and discovery. You also have the option of hosting the video on your own server or finding a third-party provider that offers premium video hosting. Your website should be the initial destination for displaying your video because you will likely want to show it off in a number of different places. When it comes to advertising, the first question that arises is whether or not to pay for it. A video that is displayed on the homepage or landing page can increase conversions by up to 80%. If you have the resources, you should concentrate your paid marketing efforts on Facebook and YouTube because both of these platforms offer accurate targeting and a high return on investment. If you have an audience and are willing to put in the work, organic posting can work just fine, especially on platforms like YouTube or even Instagram. Earnest strategies like going live, engaging in conversations or groups, and using influencers are all viable ways to distribute your video content without spending a single cent on advertising. Analytics are the first thing you need if you want to gauge your level of success. You are already well on your way to success if you have a dashboard with built-in analytics. On the other hand, you can pull information from the native social platforms themselves, or data from Google Analytics, which typically provides us with some insights but not the whole picture required to properly know your audience. However, keep in mind that you should only test one component at a time in order to properly identify which aspects are successful. The use of video marketing is a great method to connect with an audience. If you have something that you want to share with the rest of the world, why wait? Let's get started. If you learned anything from this video, please share it with a friend, press the like button, and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.